Very disappointing, controversial, and waste of time book recs from my side to you. Hi, I'm Shanika, psychology student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe it. So today we are going to discuss about 4 books that I consider are overhyped. First of all, it is my and only my opinion or a suggestion or advice, not anyone else. Maybe you can have different perspective for this book, but for me, these are overhyped. Number one is this. It is the Fredo McFadden's most popular book. Plus, it has been adapted into a movie or a series, I guess. The Housemaid by Fredo McFadden. Whole series, actually. I didn't like this whole series because it is so utter rubbish. Sorry, but not sorry. If you know me, I'm a thriller person. I have read far much better work of Fredo McFadden. These are the works, and these have best jaw-dropping plots. Plus, it is engaging, it is fast-paced. But this book, no, it is not. From chapter 1 till chapter end, I knew what is happening. The characters are so deluded. Even the plot was like, okay, let it be. Not so good. Oh, and number two is, now it is out of my genre book, but being a reader, I always try to discover every literature work as much as possible, and it is one of them, Normal People by Shelley Rooney. I don't know if you have read this or not, because many people haven't read it, but it is very much popular on Instagram because big influencers, I won't take the name because they are my favorite as well, have made this book so hyped. Like, bro, everyone is like, read this book, read this book. I read it. It only talks about miscommunication, toxic relationship, adulthood, heartbroken and healing, depression, discovering sexuality, etc. What else? What else? There is no plot structuring in this book. For me, there was none. Plus, uh, you won't understand when the voice or the dialogues change. No inverted commas or quotes, nothing. It is just in a one flow line. It is like he said this to her. You won't understand who is saying what and why. So that is the one of the reasons why I didn't enjoyed Normal People very much. But from a psychological point of view, it is very good because it is like a modern day relationships that are going in this 21st century situationships and all those ships. So yeah, it is very much relatable to that, but not to the current or the old age people who like story with a good structuring and grafting. So yeah, this one. Also, one reason why I didn't like this book is the concept of miscommunication. I don't like miscommunication styles in book, and in this book it is way too much. I mean, the couples in this book are couples, but they are not couples. They love each other, but they aren't together. They are together, but they aren't together. Okay, this much of confusion is going on in this book, and that is one of the reasons why I didn't like the book, or I thought that it is little bit overhyped. Okay, now next book is very much controversial, very much popular. I haven't seen any person hating this book other than me, and it is None of This Is True by Lisa Jewell. Before you shout out to me, listen to me carefully. It is the first work I have read by this author. So listen, when you make something hype, the expectation bar also reaches very high. So when I got to know this book is very much popular, everyone is loving this book. So what I thought that whenever I will read this book, I will have a pen and I will use my all detective skills in this book. And being a psychology student, I literally got into the mind of the fictional characters. So for example, I was guessing something in chapter 2. Okay, this will happen. And in chapter 4, it happened. And this kept happening till the last chapter. So everything was very much predictable to me. It is a cliffhanger as well. But I got to know that there is a scanner present at the last of the book, which says that it is like a bonus chapter for it. So I haven't read that. I'm not judging that. But also, I didn't like the execution of the book. It could be better and it could be more good according to its hype, I would say. But yeah, definitely engaging book. Maybe you will like it, and I will try her other works then I will judge this author. Now, last book is We Used to Live Here. Now, I know it is not popular among the Bookstagram community, but it is very much popular in thriller genre. Person who like to read thrillers have read this book. The reason why I think it is overhyped is because of its plot. Again, it was not jaw dropping. Story was engaging, definitely. I feel like this book could be read or could be loved more if it is adapted into a movie, because there are scenes which are very spooky, horrifying, which I think look more good on a screen rather than in reading, but it's fine. I didn't like it. Maybe you could love this book. Also, plot was not very amazing. It was like okay, ठीक है, हो गया, बस. So yeah, these are the 4 books that I consider are overhyped according to me. And everyone knows that It End With Us is also very overhyped, but I'm not going to talk about it because everyone has talked about it. That's it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like it, subscribe it, and share it with someone you think will agree with my thoughts on these books. Secondly, if you know books that are very underrated, please recommend them in the comment section. I would like to read those books because I have read these and I didn't like it. That's it. We'll meet you again.